Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create stunning text animation using this website, the Wix Studio. So either you're designing a website for your brand, this is a very good tutorial. So the first thing you need to do here is to of course log into your account and then choose a project you want to work on and then edit that one. And in here, you'll be able to see here that click on the add button on the left panel and select text. So you can see here, then choose a heading or a paragraph style and position it where you want it on your page. So for example, to that is this one. So as you can see here, I am now positioning it depending on my liking. And in here, type your text and use the text settings to customize the font, the size, the color, and the alignment. So as you can see here, I am customizing this text. So you can choose your font, make it visually appealing, and align it with your website's theme. So after that one, here is the fun part, guys. With your text element selected, you could go to the animations tab after this one. So let's choose the color first. So here, right after this one is you just need to go to the animations tab. So click on it again. So click that one. So you'll be able to see here that this website offers a range of animation styles like fade, bounce, slide, and more. So you can click on an animation to preview it in real time. So to fine tune the animation, you can also click customize. Here you can adjust the speed, delay, and then the direction. You can also set the animation to trigger on page load, scroll, or hover, depending on how you want it to interact with your visitors. And once you're happy with the animation, you could click preview to see how it looks like on your live website. So if everything looks good, go ahead and hit the publish button to make it live. And that's it, guys. You've successfully added a beautiful text animation to your Wix website. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.